So I don't know if you can see it, but I just put up the poster from my friend Joanne, and it's basically kind of like a jungle and waterfall background. And as soon as the conure saw it, she started making these little kissy noises and little mumbly sounds. So I'm just gonna see if she'll do it again. Or she may just hang out and stare at the camera. That is not her, it's just my cell phone. I have a towel on the side of the cage that I drape over the side at night, just because the arrow garden is there and the light turns on at 3 in the morning, so I don't want to disrupt the birds' nighttime sleep. And I guess she's just going to stare at me. All right, goodbye, little clown.